On the board is one of the university entrance examination. It looks difficult, but let me show you how you can do this in few minutes. It's simple. You can apply differences of two squares here. Difference of two squares. So if you have a squared minus b squared, you can express this as a plus b times a minus b. So the same thing here. We have here as x plus y times x minus y equals to 36. Now, if you check this bracket, x plus y should be greater. Not should, it is actually. X plus y is greater than x minus y. X plus y should be greater than x minus y. Now, if I split this, I'm looking for the multiples of 36. So if I have 1 times 36, if I also have it as 2 times 18, I can also have it as 4, but 3 times 12 times 12. I can have this as 4 times 9, and it's possible to have it as 6 times 6 is squared. So let's see which of them we can use to replace this. So if I choose to use maybe the first one, trying to compare coefficient now, if I use x plus y and x minus y to be equal to 36 times 1, so that the bigger one will go with this one, the smaller one will go with this. If I solve the two equations simultaneously, so I have x plus y, this bigger bracket equals to 36, then x minus y equals to 1. By subtraction, this is 0. You can have this as y minus y, that would be positive to y, that's y minus y, y plus y to y equals to 36 minus 1, which is 35. This will not give you, this will give you a fraction, and this cannot go, so we cannot use this one. If you try many of this, it will not still go. If you try this will not go, then this cannot go completely, because x, the two bracket x plus y, is not equal to x minus y. That is why this is off completely, because you can't have these two, they are not equal to it. So the only one that can go here is this. I have tried this and this, but because of time, let's use this. This one will go. That is x plus y times x minus y equals to 18 times 2. The bigger one will go with this, while this will go with this. Remember that x plus y is greater than x minus y, and it cannot, x plus y cannot be equal to, in this case, x minus y. So that's why this cannot go. So we solve the two equations simultaneously. If that happens, we have x plus y equals to 18 and x minus y equals to 2. By subtraction, this one will go. This will give you y minus y minus y, y minus y, that will be 2y. So 2y equals to 18 minus 2, that is 16. Now, if you divide 2 by 2, you have this as 1, then 16 divided by 2, that's 8, whole number. So y equals to 8. Then for x, You can choose to use either equation 1 here, or 1 here, or equation 2. But I choose to use equation 2. X, you can use 1 and see still have the same thing, equals to 2. For x, y is what? 8 here, equals to 2. That means x equals to 2. This will cross over to be positive number there, so x equals to 10. That means we have x to be equals to 10 and y equals to 8. Let's prove. X is 10, 10 squared. Y is 8, 8 squared. So 100 and 10 squared is 100. 8 squared is 64. 100 minus 64 will give you 36. So the value of y being equals to 8, while x equals to 10 was correct. And this also is correct. So if you're preparing for SAT exams, GCSE, MIT, IP and many other entrance examinations like this one, check my playlist, you see them. Watch the appropriate one, subscribe, share, so that you can see more of my videos. Bye bye.